Hey guys, today I will take you with me and try to find out why my turn signal bulb isn't working. With a bit of knowledge and help of schematics, you can locate any electrical problem yourself and repair it. This video can inspire you how to proceed in the search of your problem. So first, I will take bulb out and test it on battery. Bulb is good and working. I will take closer look at the connectors. This one looks good, but sometimes you can find corrosion in them, which is the most common problem. Mine is good, so let's continue. I will turn on hazard lights, so I have turn signals on. And we will try to measure voltage. We can see there is some voltage, but the reading is crazy. With better meter or oscilloscope, the measurement would be better. So I will try to compare it with the other side. The readings are not the same, but it's useless information. So now I will go cable to cable and check for continuity. First, I will check brown wire, which is ground. One lead to pin on socket and the other on the negative battery terminal. So ground is good. To the next one. I found connector hidden inside. Disconnect it and pull it outside. Now I will test the signal wire. In this case it's pin number 12. One lead to the pin with black and white wire, the other on the pin number 12. And we have continuity. Let's continue. Under the steering wheel is control board for the signal bulb. We have to take off this tray and plastic cover behind. We can do this by pushing two plastic tabs up. Now we have to take this black cover off with Torx bit. So there is our board with connectors facing down. And I am after this black and white wire. That's pin number 11. I put one lead onto to pin hole. Now I will turn on hazard lights. And connect the bulb with wire from connector for signal and use another cable for connecting the ground. With this I determined bad wire somewhere in the engine bay, so I will just bring new wire to the bulb. I will use these crimp style connectors. and some basic cheap crimping tool. Now we have to pull new wire through the rubber boot. I already made connection onto the wheel. You can see some tape around cable. That's information for me to know where is insulation strip. It isn't pretty but will do its job. After pulling cable through engine bay, we can make other connection. I will cut it few centimeters from connector. Strip the insulation and crimp both cables together. I am using heat shrink tube to make connection water resistant. Now we can try our connection. And it's working. Now we can put everything back together. That's it. Thank you for watching.